Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 11. Today we're going to be subtracting fractions and mixed numbers with different denominators. Again, we're dispensing of the pictures. We're going to do it all numerically, mathematically. And so I'm starting here with 7/10 minus 1/3. Now, again, just like addition, I'm going to look and see, can I make the smaller denominator into the larger? And there's no whole number times 3 that gives me 10, so I can't use that method. The next thing I'm going to do is try to find the least common denominator. And I'm going to do that by listing the factors of 10 and 3. I'm going to start with a larger one. The first multiple of 10 is 10, and 3 can't go into that. The next one's 20, and 3 can't go into that. The next one's 30, and yes, indeedy, 3 does go into 30, so that's my least common denominator. Now, if I multiply, let's see, so my new denominator is going to be 30, some 30ths minus some 30ths. And if I want to get from the 10 here to 30, I need to multiply by 3. So 3 times 7 is 21 30ths. And to get from the 3 to 30, I need to multiply by 10. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Now I can very easily subtract. 21 minus 10 is 11. The denominator stays the same. And this is my answer. Our next problem involves a mixed number, and it adds quite a bit of complexity to what we're doing. I have 1 2/5 minus 3/8. Now there's many different approaches we can take to this. We found over the years that with a mixed number problem, it's easiest to work up and down. It helps us keep our work nice and organized. So that's what I'm going to start off by doing. And we have 5 and 8, so I'm going to come over to the side and find, actually I want to start with 8 on the top and 5 here. I want to start with my larger number. And I'm going to do my multiples of 8. 8, 5 doesn't go into that. 16, 5 doesn't go into that. 24, 5 doesn't go into that. 32, 5 does not go into that. 40, yes, indeedy. 40 ends in a 0 or 5, so it is a multiple of 5. 40 is my new common denominator. So I'm going to multiply, well, what times, so the 1's going to stay a 1. And what times 5 is 40? Well, times 8. So do the top and the bottom the same. And I get 1 and 16 40ths. And on the bottom number, I need to multiply by 5. And I get 15 40ths. If I subtract that, I get 1 and 1/40. And that's how you solve that. You'll see tomorrow why we would want to do it this way. Sometimes we need to borrow from the whole number, and it just makes things a lot easier if you're working up and down, in our opinion. So that's today's lesson, and I'll see you next time.